of my constituents, the hope to be constituents, go to bed hungry every single night. This is the richest country in the world. I'll never be able to square those two things at the same time. I think about 16,000 are going to lose healthcare, and another 30,000 are going to have healthcare skyrocket in the coming months. We call every single donor, regardless of how much money they give me. And the people who give me $25 or more, they're usually like, I just like you. I don't need you to call me. People who give me $25 or less, I get a lot of $5 donor donations. They just want to talk because they said that this is the only opportunity I've ever had to someone who is seeking power. Now, I think right there is a testament to how bad our political system is at treating people with dignity. And oftentimes I hear the story and I just refund the $5 because they could use it.
Yeah.
The things I hear most about is hunger, taking care of their kids, and healthcare. I think that the only reason we have this healthcare system that we do is because healthcare companies spent $1 billion in 2024 on lobbying and campaign contributions. They also get almost $1 trillion of our direct taxpayer money that goes straight to private health insurance companies that they just take and then turn around and raise our healthcare prices every year. There is nothing about our healthcare system that isn't a scam, and it's not very hard to make it affordable. One, we could have single payer Medicare for all conversations all we want, and we should. But if we just had a public healthcare system right now, costs would go down, because the first time a private industry will have to compete with a for-profit industry will have to compete with a nonprofit industry. That literally lowers prices right up the gate. And these solutions are known to our elected officials. These problems can be solved very easily. I say this all the time. The things that we need to do, they are not predicated on possibility or technology. They are simply matters of political will. I just want to take all those same people that I talk to, the $5 to $10 donations, and I want to bring them to Capitol Hill with me. I want our elected officials to have to look them in the eye and say, sorry, there's nothing I can do. And if we do that and dare them to ignore us, I think then you're going to be able to grow the base of the party of people who talk a lot more like me than people who will spend all their time just ignoring the voices and the struggles of everyday people. So that's how I want to be. I'm not just doing this for activism's sake. I have a plan for almost everything. But as a political communication strategist, I know that the only way to get people in power to do things is to make them look like assholes for disagreeing with us.
Right.
And so I think I bring that unique perspective to do that on behalf of my constituents.